Introducing the IFBB Nordic Academy Advanced Resistance Training course. If you're an aspiring fitness athlete, bodybuilder, or already competing, this course is your roadmap to optimal muscle growth. Guided by an expert with both academic credentials and practical experience, you will learn how to push clients to their full potential, reaching their genetic ceiling in muscle hypertrophy. This course emphasizes advanced program design for bodybuilders and elite physique athletes. Learn to structure workouts that build muscle effectively without the confusion of social media trends or misinformation. Upon completion, you'll earn the prestigious IFBB certification, not just a certificate, but job readiness with practical skills. Gain new skills in developing resistance training programs, applying the science behind hypertrophy, and minimizing injury risk, all while using the latest research. Join the IFBB Nordic Academy today. Take the next step in your personal training or coaching career.